These cranberry pistachio shortbread cookies are buttery, lightly sweet, and perfect for the holidays. Let me show you how I made them. I started by adding fresh orange zest to the sugar. Using my fingers, I rub the zest into the sugar really well so all the essential oils release. This simple step adds a beautiful orange flavor to the cookies. Next, I finely chop the pistachios and dried cranberries so they distribute evenly in every cookie. In a bowl, I added softened butter and the orange-infused sugar we prepared earlier and mix just until they come together. Then I added vanilla extract and a little freshly squeezed orange juice and mix gently until evenly incorporated. At this point, I added salt and began adding the flour in batches, mixing just until the dough turns crumbly. Once the dough looks crumbly, I gently fold in the chopped cranberries and pistachios so they are evenly distributed. I stop the mixer and test the dough using my fingers. When pressed together, it should hold, and it is very important not to overmix, as this keeps the shortbread tender and buttery. I transfer the dough onto a board. Gently bring it together with my hands and shape it into a long roll. The dough is wrapped tightly in cling wrap and refrigerate for about 2 hours or until it becomes firm enough to slice. After chilling, I slice the dough into even rounds and place them on a lined baking tray. The cookies are baked at 350 Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes, just until the edges are lightly golden. These cranberry pistachio shortbread cookies are buttery, crispy, and not too sweet. They are perfect with a cup of tea or coffee and also make a lovely homemade gift for the holidays. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy making them.